Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are ready for your tomorrow's CBSE exam. All the best. So I'm here with few challenging questions. So let's see. I will be doing a question in three, four parts. Like in this first part, I have three questions, and the second part, again three questions like that. Okay. So our first question is solve for x. 2x square minus 2 root x plus 1 is equal to 0. So you know this is factorization. Yeah. So simple. We will do the splitting the middle term here. 2x square minus 2 root 2x plus 1 equals 0. So the product of the numbers is 2 into 1 is 2 and the sum is minus 2 root 2. Okay, so we have to split this term so that when we multiply we get 2 and adding or subtracting we get minus 2 root 2. So these two terms will be, see, minus root 2 into minus root 2. This will give you a positive 2 and at the same time minus root 2 plus minus root 2 you will get minus 2 root 2. I hope all of you know this. So we will replace minus 2 root 2x with minus root 2x and minus root 2x. So next step is 2x squared minus root 2x minus root 2x. I'm sorry, root 2x plus 1 equals 0. And now we have to find the common term. So we will group them one part and this is another part. So you have here common root 2 is nothing but root 2 and root 2. So we will take this common out. Root 2 x is out and then we are left with root 2 x minus 1. And here nothing is common, so minus 1 is out and you are left with root 2 x minus 1. So you will have now root 2 x minus 1 and root 2 x minus 1. So your question is to find the value of x, that is solve for x. Okay, so you have now root 2 x minus 1 equals 0 and the same thing you have here as well, root 2 x minus 1 equals 0. So we can say that root 2x equals 1 and x is equal to 1 over root 2. Same thing here, x is equal to 1 over root 2. So this is our answer. I hope this is clear to all of you. X is equal to 1 over root 2 and 1 over root 2. Yeah, let's move to the next question. Wow, this question is from AP. For the AP, A1, A2, A3, if A4 upon A7 is 2 over 3, then find A6 over A8. So here they have given A4 over AC, that is 2 over 3. Okay, so this is your AP. Okay. Now we know that in AP nth term, how the nth term is given. Nth term is A plus n minus 1 times t, where a is the first term, a is the first term, d is the common difference, and n is the position of the term. N is position of the term. Okay, position of the term. So when we take n is equal to 1, no, since here they have given A4 upon A7 and A6 upon A8, so we will take the values of this. So when n is equal to 4, then we will have A4 equals A plus 4 minus 1 times D, that will give you A plus 3D. And here, when n is equal to 7, then you have a7 is equal to a plus 7 minus 1 times d, that will give you a plus 60. And when n is equal to 6, then a6 is equal to a plus 6 minus 1 times d, that is a plus 5d. And when you have n equals 8, then a8 is equal to a plus 8 minus 1 times d, that is a plus 70. Right. So we have taken all these nth term of the given ratio. Now let's see how to work on it. Now already it is given a4 upon a7 equals 2 over 3. Let's write the value of this a4. What is the a4? That is nth term, that is a plus 3d, and this one is a plus 60, which is equal to 2 over 3. Now we can do is cross multiply. So 3 times a plus 3d will give you 2 times a plus 60, and hence you have 3a plus 90 equals 2a plus 20. Okay, so what we can do is bring all the a's one side and d's one side. So 3a minus 2a equals 90 minus 90 plus 12d, and this will give you a equals 3d. So we got the value of a here, right? Now our question is we have to figure out the value of the ratio a6 upon a8. Now we can do this a6 upon a8. What is a6? Here we have done a6 is nothing but a plus 5d. So a plus 5d, and a8 is nothing but a plus 7d. Now we will do substitute the value of a in this a plus 5d upon a plus 7d. So you will get a is 3d now. So 3d plus 5d over 3d plus 7d, that will be 8d upon 10d. Yeah. So I hope this is clear to all of you now. Now dd cancels and you get 8 over 10, that is nothing but 4 over 5. So our a6 upon a8 is 4 over 5. So the basically what we did here, so we first found the nth term of a4, a7, then a6, a8, and then we put the ratio, and then we cross multiplied so that we at least get one value of either we get d or we get a. So here we got a. Now we substitute this value of a in the given ratio, that is a6 over a8, and then we solved it. Yeah, I hope this is clear to everyone. Wow, this is another important question. The age of the father is twice the sum of the ages of his two children. After 20 years, his age will be equal to the sum of the ages of his children. Find the present age of father. So, what we can do here, let's assume, let father's age be, let father age be x. So, what does this question says that father's age is twice the sum of the ages of his two children. Okay, let children's age be y and z. So in that case, what will happen? Now you will have, according to this question, father's age is twice the sum of the ages of his children. So we have x equals 2 times y plus z. Now this question says after 20 years, his age will be equal to the sum of the ages of his children. Yeah. So after 20 years, father's age will be equal to the sum of the ages of his children. Yeah, so after 20 years, father's age will be, see, after 20 years, father's age will be x plus 20. If father's age is x plus 20, definitely children will also be y plus 20. Yeah, and z plus 20. So we got this thing, and now what we can do is, yeah, x plus 20 equals y plus 20 plus z plus 20. That will give you y plus z plus 40. Okay, now one thing we can see here. Okay, here we have x and here we have the value of x. So what we can do, let me mark this as 1. So substitute x is equal to 2 times of y plus z. Let, okay, let me mark this as 2 in equation 2. So you will have, okay, let me write the equation as well here. X plus 20 equals, so I have got here y plus z plus 40. So I will substitute value of x here. So I will have 2 times y plus z plus 20 equals y plus z plus 40. Okay, so what I can do is now, I open the brackets, 2y plus 2z, and I bring other variables here, minus y minus z, bring this 20 this side, equals 40 minus 20. 2y minus y is y, 2z minus z is z, equals, you get 20. Yeah, so I think this is clear to everyone. So sum of the ages of children is 20. We got this one. Let me mark this as 3. And we already know that the question is about find the present age of father. So we know that father's age is 2 times sum of the ages of children. So we already have this sum of the ages of children, that is 20. So x equals 2 times y plus z, and I can write here x equals 2 times 20. So father's age is 40. So I hope everyone understood this. So stay tuned for further more questions.